Hey guys, Andrew at Impress. Today's project is going to be for a gentleman who came in. He already had a computer built. He had something in mind that he wanted to do for his brother. So whatever was left from that build originally, we're going to try to get him up and running. Now we ran into a few problems which I'll explain in a minute, but what we're dealing with, it looks like we went with the thread adapter, the thread ripper for his chip. He has a Corsair cooler on top of that. Unfortunately, we'll get into the complications with that, but he's just rocking a nice RTX 2080 with a gold Corsair 750 watt, fully modular, 250 gig solid state drive, and then I believe he's got a nice 1 terabyte spinning drive, just a quick conventional for storage. Inside of it looks like a deep cool. I didn't get too deep into what his specs were for his computer, but what I wanted to know is what we're dealing with when it comes to the older parts. And whenever he came in, originally these parts did not look like this. It was in a computer that was already built. Everything was already rocking and rolling that way. Now what I want to get into is the thread ripper itself. The thread ripper is a high-end chip. This is S-tier chip. This is not gonna be low heat, low coolant requirements. This is the opposite of that. You need a lot of coolant, you have a lot of heat. You need to take care of that. Unfortunately, whenever I got to this guy, you can see on the chip, I'm not sure how well you can see it, but there's gonna be a lot of thermal paste in a circle that does not cover the entire chip. That's a big problem. You need thermal paste covering that entire chip. It is going to get hot from each corner to the other corner. Just assume the whole box is just gonna be heat. Get thermal paste in there, get yourself a nice cooler. We have one for our guest. We're gonna try to put that together. That's the entirety of the project. However, again, I do not recommend older parts. New parts, warranty, you already know everything works. Typically, it doesn't take long to get that going when it's like that. That's how we recommend you do it at Impress. You just give us a call, 281-647-9977, and we'll talk to you about it. Okay, guys.